Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and fluid levels because temperature and volume control the chocolate's consistency. Once plugged in, measure 1 scoop per 250 ml of milk or water. This keeps sweetness and thickness consistent. Next, lock the carafe or serving cup into the maker. This prevents leaks and aligns the dispenser. Make sure to choose a heat setting appropriate for milk versus water, since milk scorches faster. Then pour liquid slowly to avoid splashing and initiate the cycle. You control texture by adjusting speed and time, so start with medium mix to dissolve powder without aerating too much. Once done, watch the first 30 seconds. If you still see dry pockets, pause, open the lid, and fold them into the liquid. This prevents clumps. Then resume and run the full 60 to 90 seconds depending on desired thickness. If you want froth, switch to the frother or steam nozzle briefly. Make sure to avoid overfoaming, which dilutes the flavor. You finish by pouring the drink into a pre-warmed mug to keep temperature steady, then taste and adjust sweetness with a half scoop or a dash of syrup if needed. Once served, rinse removable parts promptly to stop residue from hardening. This saves time later. If the dispenser clogs, stop the machine, flush the nozzle with hot water, and run a maintenance or descale cycle per the manual. This clears buildup and restores flow, so your next cup is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.